Hey beautiful bastards, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into something that's been on everyone's mind lately, UFOs and drones. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about those mysterious objects in the sky that have been causing quite a stir. So, let's get into it. Loads of people have been reporting crazy stuff in the sky all over America and even here in the UK. We're talking strange lights, weird drones, the whole shebang. And I'm here to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about America. A few days ago in Arizona, people saw bright lights making a triangle shape in the sky. Everyone thought aliens, but the army said it was just a training exercise. Yeah, right. Then in New York, something that looked like a drone was flying around super fast. Experts are puzzled because it wasn't like any normal drone. Is it some secret tech or something from another planet? Things are getting interesting. And it's not just America. Right here in the UK, people saw a glowing ball moving strangely in the sky. There's even some blurry video footage that's got everyone talking. Some say it's a weather balloon, others think it's, well, an alien spaceship. Now if you think everyone's just gone mad, listen to this. A special group that keeps track of UFO reports says there have been way more sightings this year than usual. And they're not just one-offs, there's definitely something going on, and it's making even the biggest doubters wonder. So, what's the deal? Are we just seeing more drones or is something weirder happening? I don't know for sure, but the best thing to do is keep asking questions. And who knows, maybe one day we'll finally find out the truth about aliens. Right, that's it for today. If you've seen anything strange in the sky, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you beautiful bastards next time. Later. But wait, there's more. Let's dive deeper into some of these sightings. In Arizona, those bright lights in a triangle shape weren't just seen by a few people. Hundreds of witnesses reported the same thing and some even captured it on their phones. The footage went viral, sparking debates and discussions all over social media. People were sharing their theories, from secret military projects to extraterrestrial visitors. The Army's explanation of a training exercise didn't sit well with many, leading to even more speculation. And then there's New York. The drone-like object that was zipping around at incredible speeds left experts scratching their heads. This wasn't your average consumer drone. It moved with a precision and speed that seemed almost otherworldly. Some experts suggested it could be advanced military technology, while others leaned towards the possibility of it being something not of this earth. The mystery deepens when you consider the fact that similar sightings have been reported in other parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. Speaking of Europe, let's talk about the UK. The glowing ball in the sky was seen by dozens of people, and the blurry video footage has been analyzed by both amateur and professional UFO enthusiasts. Some believe it's a weather balloon, but others are convinced it's something far more mysterious. The increase in sightings has led to a surge in interest in UFOs, with more people than ever before looking up at the night sky, hoping to catch a glimpse of something extraordinary. So, what does all this mean? Are we on the verge of a major discovery? Or are we just seeing more drones and other man-made objects in the sky? The truth is, we don't know for sure, but one thing is certain, the fascination with UFOs and the possibility of extraterrestrial life is stronger than ever. People are curious and they're asking questions, and that's a good thing, because the more we question, the closer we get to finding the answers. So keep your eyes on the sky and don't be afraid to share what you see. Whether it's a strange light, a fast-moving drone, or something you can't quite explain, your observations could be the key to unlocking the mystery. And remember, it's not just about finding out if we're alone in the universe. It's about understanding the world around us and the technology we create. So, stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep asking questions. And with that, we've come to the end of today's episode. If you've seen anything strange in the sky, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you beautiful bastards next time. Later.